Hey guys, this is me, Grenade Pro here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing fidget spinners. So I got 3 fidget spinners right here, got 2 red ones because they didn't have any other colors in stock on Amazon. Got 2 red ones and a Lamborghini. So if you're wondering why I'm in dress clothes, it's because we're taking our family picture today for our church book. So yeah, I got a fidget cube too. So I got the spinner, the glider, buttons, rollers, click the rubber. Yeah, I like the rubbing it. I was watching this one YouTube video, and this kid said, "It feels like something that just perfectly fits in my hand that I should throw, but I'm not gonna throw it." But the 3-sided fidget spinners kind of like gears, because if you spin one and they're together, if you just move it, they kind of move. But yeah, I got the Lamborghini one. It's one of my personal favorites. I like it because it spins really fast and it spins long in a hand. It doesn't spin real long on a table. But yeah, I'm doing a spin test to figure out which one's the one that it's the fastest. So okay, I found it. So this is my fastest red one right here. Because in the hand, just watch how fast it is. Yeah. But oh, it spinned. It landed on the book and spinned. Okay. But wait, I'm trying to get a firm grip. So it's spinning pretty fast. The gold one, personal favorite. But yeah, just doing a little review. But yeah, I like the roll on the fidget cube, the rolling side. You got like the gears and the rolling ball. It's got a lever. I like it. Got a spinner, glider thing, and then the buttons. This is like a knockoff one, I'm pretty sure, because it doesn't have the ones that don't click. It's just all of them click. But I like the rubber too. Yeah, so that's my input on the fidget spinners. I would definitely recommend these two, one of these two. If you're looking to buy 2 good ones, the original fidget spinners and the Lamborghini fidget spinners are the way to go. So yeah, I'm just putting my input on fidget spinners. Yeah. So we'll see you all in the next video. So before I end it, I'm gonna do the tower. So I'm gonna attempt the tower, but no, I'm not gonna. Okay. See ya.